Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of this session, I'm gonna talk about two important keywords here. One is this, and another is a super keywords. Okay, so when can we use this, and when exactly we can use a super keyword? So, consider that I wanna access the current class information. I can use this keyword, and consider that whenever you are in a child class and you want to access your parent class information, in such a cases you will be using a super keyword. That's fine. So let me create an example as a class. Okay, maybe class demo price. Okay, class demo price, and in which I'm defining uh, price value, and it's gonna be number, and that value is gonna be 1000 for now. Okay, that's gonna be 1000 for now. And show price of void, and here I wanna access this price value inside this particular method. I want to access this price value inside this particular method. In such a cases, I can use a console.log this dot price. For suppose I want to access it without this dot. Okay, so whenever I was writing this, it's saying that, buddy, you cannot access directly this price value. Okay, you cannot access this particular price value. If you are referring to this particular class, you need to use this. This is the thing that we need to deal with it. Okay, that's fine. This is the way how exactly we can deal with this. Consider that this class is having a constructor. Okay, this class is having a constructor, and I'm gonna use console.log a parent class constructor. Okay, parent class constructor. That's it, guys. I haven't done anything. This is what my parent class constructor is. So there is a demo price class which has one variable, and this particular variable, and then there is a constructor, and there is a show price method which is trying to access that particular variable for which you used this keyword. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. And then the next thing that I need to consider here is, so let us create a one more class. Class demo discounts extends a demo price. That's what it's gonna extend it. And here the discount value is 100. Again, here I'm calling this particular constructor, where here I'm using a super keyword. Whenever you use a super keyword, it will call that a parent constructor. You are in the child class constructor and you are calling that parent class constructor, and of course, child class constructor got a call. Perfectly all right. So here, this child class constructor got a call, and now show discount, this is gonna be the void, and here the discounted value here is, if you observe, I wanna access the variable value that it is defined in this class. That's the reason I'm gonna use this dot discounted value. I'm gonna use this dot discounted value. Perfectly all right. And then console.log product actual price as per my parent class is. So here, if you want to access the information present in the parent, simply super is the keyword with which you can access that particular information. I can directly go with that particular one, or I guess we have already a show price method that it is calling. So let me directly call this a show price method using this super dot keyword, accessing the parent class method using the super keyword. If you observe, in order to access the method, you are using a super dot. In order to access the parent class constructor, you can directly use this super. So guys, what is a constructor and how we need to deal with it? In the next session, we studied about it so that you can better understand this particular concept. Let me try to run this one. Okay, so one second, let me close. There is an issue here in this code. I think I forgot to close the braces. Close it. Yeah, it's done. Let me try to run it. See the complete information. Okay, where it is. So done. The execution is completed. Super dot show price. The show price is having the console dot log. Okay, that's fine. So we created everything. We need to okay, we need to call it using an object, right? So here let a discounted instance a new show discount. This is the only thing I'm calling. Whenever I was calling this value and this constructor and the child constructor, all that information is being called. Okay, every information would be called and that information would be printed down to the console. The whole information got a printed down to the console. So this is the way how exactly we can use a this and as well as this super keyword, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.